Yeah, I had hurt my back in my 20s, and that took about 18 months to recover, but I don't know if it was necessarily recovered but as I got older, my back got worse and worse. And then probably 4 or 5 years ago, it turned out to where it was getting so bad that I could, lock my back up, just tying my shoe, sneezing, getting out of bed wrong. And it was just to the point, so after trying some different things, I went here and they put me on a regimen of DRX 3 times a week for 5 months. It was a big commitment, but I was desperate. But then also doing some physical therapy and progressively getting more and more physical therapy. So I like the comprehensiveness of it. Just helped me to build up my core, and then I've continued to do my exercises several times a week. Try to do things, like my wife and I, we'd go on vacation, we'd go hiking in the mountains, 8-10 miles at a time. Work outside, not a problem to work outside 6-7 hours at a time now anymore. Like I said, I have a pond that backs up to us, so cutting out a lot of junk trees and hauling all the brush away and everything. It's been just nice to be outside and enjoy being able to be active again. So it's like my life's back. And like I said, my back feels like I'm a 30-year-old again, which is nice. So yeah, staff's always willing to offer ideas and personalize. They personalized all my training. I still use the personalization training that I do at home. I do that at home now. And then now when I come in for rehydration, I say, give this a try, and you have to commit to it. I mean, I was working at the time, but I committed to it. I stuck to that. Just stick to the program, follow their program, and it works for you. It really does. It gives you a new life. So.